Jerry Villegas, Quezon. What do you think is the most important quality of a Mutyanang Palawan should possess? Ano sa palagay mo ang pinaka-importanteng katangian mayroong dapat ang isang Mutyanang Palawan?
As a beauty queen, I believe that Mutyanang Palawan is someone with a heart and someone with a purpose. I grow up with a humble home where at a very young age I already experienced working. But that doesn't stop me to becoming what I am right now. And that is what I want to tell everyone. I want to inspire them that whatever you are facing right now, or the challenges that you have, as long as we believe in ourselves, we can have what we have in our lives. And that is someone should we have. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, everybody, this only means that only half of them is moving on to the next and final round. And our top 5 finalists, let's give it up for Quezon! Is your last and final question. Can we have a little silence, please? Thank you so much. As a candidate for Mutyanang Palawan, what can you say about the inclusion of transgender and married women in pageants? And what impact do you think this trend has on the pageant industry? Bilang isang kandidata ng Mutyanang Palawan, ano ang iyong masasabi sa pagsali ng mga transgender at ang mga may mga asawang kababaihan sa mga pageants? At ano sa palagay mo ang epekto nito sa industriya ng pageantry?
I do believe in equality in all gender. However, I believe that transgender or part of LGBT communities has their own platform to use or to join in beauty pageants. That will give them the time and the platform to shine on their own. And that way, we can have our own ways to shine. Thank you.
Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking
My dear Palaweños, this year's 2024 Mutyanang Palawan is not